Day 2 on this MG. The old man's welded up the sill that I fucked up yesterday. Told him he's got some little plates to put in on the doors as well. They rotted at the front where the water sat in them. He's working on the back corner today, raising it up a bit so the light fits a bit snug. Just turn it around. See how far he gets with that today. I don't think we'll be doing much on it today. He's decided to get all these panels in, going to get these primed. Might get this in, get the bits buzzed off, get that primed. And we're meant to have someone in today to swap the window glass. I had him in last week for a what was it, Discovery. Swapped his window last week, but it was the wrong one. So he's got the right one, we're going to do that today. But I'm going to get on. See you in a bit. Another ball ache. All the bubbles on the red for this MG all go back to bare metal. So wherever there's bubbling, we've got to strip it right back. Hopefully not all of it's bare metal, but more than likely it will be. A few bits of filler that have popped up. Yeah. We've got a little while. We'll get going. Alright, this is day 3 as well. Didn't get a lot done yesterday because we all fucked off home early. The old man had stuff to do, and me and Alan promised to go out on sledges with little ones, so that was that. The old man's messing about on this MG, the other rear light. Have a look. Got this one all finished yesterday. A bit of fill around it, make it look all sexy. The same on this one. Both just as bad as each other, aren't they? Pardon? Both as bad as each other.
Yes. Yeah.
This is back in to change the glass again. Yep, still waiting on that. Sitting there. This is all stripped back. It wasn't the primer, it was the base coat. Either put too much on too soon or put the lacquer on too soon. And the base coat was still soft. So that's all stripped back. I'm gonna chuck some primer on that today. Let it sit for a bit. Alan's been tapping these bits down. For some reason it had a big bit of filler going right through here. Instead of tapping down the high spots, they made up a new shape to go with it. Yeah, we're going to get some epoxy on these today. And when that's dry, we'll block that down, repair it, 2-pack prime it, and we'll go from there. video is going to be all over the shop for this one. I'm struggling to keep up with them. People in and out all day. Alan's in there masking up the Fiesta. That's nearly ready. He's got 2 arches to go. Then we get that primed, get some epoxy on the MG panels. Window on the Discovery's done. Old man's done the back end of the MG. He's done 1 sill, just finishing the other one. Then we get the wings off, part about with them. We've got a straggler in today. Hi Martin.
Hello.
He's sorting his sills out for his MOT. We had these welded a little while ago. Now he's coming back to finish them off. He's farting about with that. Got this in for the local car dealer. It had a dent here somehow. As it's pushed down, it's put a bulge in here. So I've used a pin puller, pulled that bit up, and all this has gone in nice and flat. So I ain't got to fart about with that. I'm going to chuck some primer on this. Primer Fiesta, prime a couple of NG bits. That's about it.